Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Welcome to Evergreen Health, your daily path to stronger living and better well-being. Today we're diving into a powerful, natural solution for achy, stiff joints. The top 3 everyday kitchen spices that relieve joint pain and calm inflammation naturally. If your joints refuse to settle down and you're tired of leaning on painkillers, this video is for you. These spices aren't exotic or hard to find, they're likely already sitting in your pantry. The beauty is, you can fold them into everyday meals without side effects, giving your joints steady, natural support. So, grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's explore how 3 simple seasonings can bring lasting relief. Number 1. Cloves. Let's start with one of the most underrated spices, cloves. These small, dark buds may look unassuming, but don't let appearances fool you. They're one of nature's strongest allies against joint pain. Cloves are rich in a compound called eugenol, which gives them their warm aroma and powerful medicinal punch. Eugenol has been shown to reduce inflammation, neutralize harmful free radicals, and relieve pain by targeting the same pathways as many over-the-counter pain medications, without the harsh side effects. What's more, cloves rank among the most antioxidant-rich spices in the world, even higher than blueberries. Antioxidants protect your joints from oxidative stress, which accelerates cartilage breakdown and worsens stiffness over time. Research also suggests cloves may protect cartilage directly, helping preserve flexibility and reduce flare-ups. How to use cloves daily. Brew clove tea. Simmer whole cloves in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and sip with honey and lemon. Add a pinch of ground cloves to oatmeal, smoothies, curries, or stews. Upgrade your golden milk with turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and a pinch of clove for nighttime relief. Infuse olive oil with whole cloves for a flavorful drizzle over vegetables or salads. A quick note, cloves are potent. Stick to culinary amounts and avoid heavy doses of clove supplements or essential oil. If using topically, dilute with a carrier oil like coconut or almond. Cloves are simple, effective, and incredibly accessible, an easy upgrade for joint comfort. Number 2. Cinnamon. Next up, cinnamon, the sweet, cozy spice most of us associate with baked treats or chai tea. Beyond the comfort food connection, cinnamon has a long history in healing traditions like Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, and modern science is proving those traditions right. Cinnamon's key compound, cinnamaldehyde, carries strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies show it lowers markers of inflammation such as CRP and TNF-alpha, both linked to stiff, swollen joints. In some clinical trials, people with rheumatoid arthritis who took cinnamon daily experienced reduced pain and swelling. Cinnamon also improves circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your joints while flushing out waste products that fuel soreness. Plus, it helps balance blood sugar, which is crucial since high glucose levels can worsen inflammation throughout the body. Easy ways to enjoy cinnamon daily. Sprinkle it over oatmeal with berries for a double antioxidant boost. Blend into a morning smoothie with banana, almond milk, or turmeric. Brew a soothing cinnamon stick tea with honey and ginger. Roast vegetables like sweet potatoes or carrots with a light dusting of cinnamon. One important detail, choose Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, over cassia for long-term use. Ceylon contains far less coumarin, a compound that may stress the liver in high amounts. About 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily is enough for steady anti-inflammatory support. Cinnamon is simple, effective, and emotionally comforting. A daily reminder that healing can be both delicious and soothing. Number 3. Black pepper. Finally, let's give credit to one of the most common spices, black pepper. You probably twist it over your meals every day without realizing its therapeutic potential. Black pepper's key compound, piperine, is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It calms enzymes and chemical messengers that drive joint inflammation, while also protecting cartilage from oxidative stress. Here's the real magic. Piperine boosts absorption of other nutrients, especially curcumin from turmeric. On its own, curcumin is poorly absorbed, but add black pepper and its bioavailability can increase up to 20 times. That's why golden milk or turmeric teas often include a pinch of pepper. It unlocks far greater benefits. How to use black pepper for joint support. Choose freshly ground pepper instead of pre-ground for maximum piperine. Sprinkle it on eggs, soups, stews, salads, and roasted vegetables. Pair it with turmeric and healthy fats, like olive oil or coconut milk, for enhanced absorption. Add a small crack to warm drinks like herbal teas or golden milk for extra joint-friendly power. For most people, pepper in culinary amounts is perfectly safe, though if you take certain medications, check with your healthcare provider since piperine can influence drug metabolism. Black pepper is proof that healing doesn't always require exotic remedies. Sometimes it's already sitting next to the salt shaker. Summary. There you have it, 3 everyday spices with extraordinary benefits for joint health. Cloves, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich, cartilage protecting. Cinnamon, circulation boosting, blood sugar balancing, inflammation calming. Black pepper, inflammation soothing, antioxidant-rich, and a bioavailability booster. These aren't rare remedies or expensive supplements. They're simple, everyday additions that, used consistently, can reduce stiffness, ease swelling, and help you move with more comfort and freedom. Relief doesn't always come in a bottle. Often, it begins in your kitchen, one sprinkle at a time. If this video was helpful, tap the thumbs up and subscribe to Evergreen Health for more natural remedies and practical health tips. And if you've tried using any of these spices for joint relief, share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, take good care of yourself. You're worth it. Thank you for watching Health Fact 10M. Subscribe today and stay healthy every day.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.